Hi, we are Team 404 Not Found. We present to you Legendarily, a revolutionary assistance app for League of Legends players and esports fans. Multiple existing platforms made for League of Legends provide data about champions as one single unit, providing its best item build or counterpick to a specific champion in a specific lane. However, League of Legends has always been a team game, and its traditional assistance apps does not predict the outcome of the team as a whole, which is an important information for players. Legendarily is able to predict users the outcome of any team combination, present the factors that are considered in the calculation, and provide gameplay advices accordingly. With this one single platform, League of Legends players could conveniently check win rate of his or her team before a game starts, or right after the ban pick phase of their favorite esports team. Legendarily is easy to use. Explore current meta, select your champions, and discover all possibilities, all in one single search. We took time to decide on the platform and language we will use to create Legendarily. We stumbled between Java, Flutter, and React Native for our development, and chose React Native in the end because it has a much bigger community support and it is slightly more user-friendly than Flutter. It also has more intuitive UI tuning. Furthermore, it is cross-platform given the strictness of Java and the fact that Java is gradually being replaced by Kotlin. We might as well switch to cross-platform development, and there is a possibility for us to develop an iOS version of our app if we are ahead of time. We will use React Native together with Expo, Redux, and Firebase because they make our app easier to test and deploy. We took a lot of time to learn how NPM and Node.js works, as well as how to create a whole new application with Expo. So this is a demonstration of our Legendarily app. If we go to register and we try to type in an email that has already been registered, then the system will pop out an error saying that this email address is already been used. So now we are in the meta page and we are able to navigate through all the bottom tabs such as going into the My Page section. Now we go back to the meta page and at the top we can see the most recent patch number. In the champions section over here, we are able to read all the most recent updates of champions in the game. All the minor updates on champions will also be displayed in this section. Next is the skin update. Inside here we show all the skins that are published in this latest update. In the item updates, we show all the changes in effects of the items in the most recent patch. Now we are going into the champions wiki. Inside we have all the champions listed in alphabetical order. So now we use the search bar to search for any champion that we want. For example, Ashe over here. We tap this champion and this page will show all details about this particular champion. Next is the item wiki. Inside we display all the details of the particular item, including the gold that it is required to buy, how can you obtain it, and what other items does it combine into. And now finally we are in the team composition analysis page. There is blue team and red team over here, and if you press tab to select over there, you'll enter the champ select section and you can press any champions from the right side and put it into the slots in the left side. And after that, we press the start analysis and they will start analyzing and calculate all the data for you. So firstly, this part is the laning page. This page shows the win rate by position and it shows all the factors that are taken into consideration for each individual lanes, which are different. Crowd control section, it shows all the skills that has the crowd controls. And next we are into the dragon section. The dragon section shows which team will get more favored by each type of dragon, and we have 4 types of dragon. And with the team fights and dragon fight session, and the details are shown below, which shows our own calculations. And next is the overall section. The overall section is meant to be simplistic and only shows a percentage or total score because the details are shown in all the previous sections. Last but not least, we are into the advice page, and this section is separated into blue and red team, and each team has their own advice for ally tips and how do you play with your ally, and as an enemy of that champion, how do you play against that particular champion. So finally, in my page, we are able to link to any existing League of Legends account. We will simply just choose a region and type in the username, and we are able to link to that particular account. And over here we are able to look at all of the match histories over here, and if we tap into one of the match history, we will be able to look at the match history detail of this particular match. And if we press tab here to analyze, the team composition of that particular match is all copy pasted into the team composition analysis page. We can tap to select to adjust their positions or just directly click start analysis. So this is how we are able to create an analysis for all of the match history of any existing League of Legends players.